What is up, YouTube? This is your boy LaJuan, back at it again with another video. I know I've been gone for a little bit, lot going on, moving, working, but hey, I'm getting this new setup for you guys. Hope you like it. I'm not quite done with it yet, so just bear with me a little bit longer. Just wanted to get some content out there for you guys. I have been applying for some new cards. I've got some new cards, so be prepared to see a couple different unboxing videos coming up here on the channel. But if you're new to my channel, I go over personal finance, credit cards, business credit, all that good stuff. So if they interest you in any way, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel as well. And don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you will be notified every time I drop a new video. So today, guys, we have the Amex Blue Business Plus on deck. I went ahead and picked this card up. I applied for it about a couple weeks ago, got approved. To me, it was a no-brainer, and we're gonna go ahead and discuss that here on this video. First, let's go ahead and start off with the sign-up bonus that I did receive. So this is also going on at the making of this video as well. There is a 15K MR point sign-up offer on this card when you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months. All right, guys, this is a great offer. This card usually doesn't have a sign up bonus on it. A couple other people that I know that signed up for this card as well was able to kind of capitalize on this sign up offer. All right, and also you get a 0% APR offer for 12 months on purchases as well. Guys, this is a business card, so if you have a lot of business spend that you had to complete, getting supplies for your business, getting started, getting set up for the first time, this is a great card to kind of go ahead and get the supplies that you need and go ahead and start generating that income so you can then pay this off and you don't have to worry about interest. All right, just be careful. I preach this on my channel a lot. You should not carry balances on these cards at all. Only do it again if it's a 0% APR offer and you're doing it for like a business expense, things like that, getting product, services, whatever it is for your business. That's definitely an okay. Home improvement, anything like that that you got going on, you know, you have the money already in your account, or you have the money coming in within the next, you know, few weeks by statement close. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's kind of go ahead and get into the unboxing, or should I say the unwrapping. All right, guys, so here it is. Nothing too crazy. It's not coming in a fancy box or anything like that. Just basic standard American Express packaging. Kind of ripped up the envelope when I was opening the card, but it does say here, don't do business without it. All right, so obviously this is a business card. So let's go ahead and kind of see what we have going on here, guys. I obviously did already open this up. Kind of just want to show you guys what this is looking like, how it will look when you actually get the card. Okay, card will be right there. This is kind of like the setup page. If you don't have an American Express account, you'll go ahead and create your account here. You can actually scan this code. This is something new that American Express has been doing, I would say, over the last couple months or so. They have like a QR code there, so you can just pull out your camera and scan it, and it'll take you right to the app store, if you're Android, Apple, whatever it is, and you'll be able to download the app from there. Okay, and on the back here, guys, we have just some literature here, just showing you how the mobile app works, guys. I do like American Express's app. It's actually pretty good. A lot of good features that they have on there, a lot better than Chase's app in my opinion. Discover as well. A lot of these credit card issuers, I would say American Express probably has the best app in my opinion. But yeah, so they're kind of just showing you some, you know, quick things. Next, guys, we just have, you know, basic stuff here, nothing crazy. You know, I think I got approved for 9K on this, so not too bad. It just shows your, you know, interest rate, all that good stuff. And then this is just kind of like a summary of benefits, the car rental, loss and damage insurance, all that good stuff. Like I said, guys, standard credit card territory. I'm just showing you for people that are interested in like unboxing, or should I say unwrapping videos. So yeah, guys, that is all I have for you today. Just a quick unboxing, unwrapping of the American Express Blue Business Plus. Stay tuned, stay locked into the channel, guys. Like I said, got a couple different unboxing videos coming up for some different cars that I went ahead and picked up while I was kind of away, busy moving, working, all that good stuff like that. So got some good content coming for you guys. And again, getting this new setup that I have kind of finished up and all that good stuff. So hope you guys like it. Drop some comments if you guys got any suggestions, or if you like what you're seeing so far. So go ahead and like this video if you liked everything that I presented to you today. Subscribe to the channel as well. Hit that bell for notifications so you will be notified every time I drop a new video. Stay safe out there, guys. Stay locked into the channel. Like I said earlier, content is on the way. This is LaJuan checking up out of here. Peace.